Yep, we're live. Okay. Saan power record of the class? Kahit in 3GP. Nagsistream tayo. Hopefully hindi siya maputol. Let's see, right? So, nasa YouTube siya. Tingnan natin. Where is it? So, kung makikita yung stream. But tingnan natin sa YouTube, right? Kita niyo yung pinagsisearch ko sa YouTube. Wait lang. Chill out, guys. YouTube. Saan ba yung ano ko? Your channel. Tapos naka-stream na to, no? Ang galing. Yan. Naririnig ko yung boses ko. There we go. Okay. Wait lang. Give me a bit. Paano ba yung... Dapat hindi ko na sinerch. That's the stream for this session. Yep. Because I don't want to save it on my computer because I don't have space anymore. No, it's the stream for this session. The recording for this session. Yep. Yep. Let me check. That's weird. So you'll see this after the class is over. Ay, hindi na ako. Yeah. It will be saved. Although, yung dati kasi ang bigat eh. Yung sinib ko. Ano yung computer ko bigla. Wait, give me a quick bit. Inspect. Tapos lahat ng ito nakikita sa stream. Ang galing. Console. Uppercase. NI. Ang gago kasi. Ayun. Advanced database. Perfect. Although nakikita to sa stream. That's weird. Okay. Oo nga, nakakainis. Naririnig yung audio ko. Ang pangit ng boses ko. So, okay, let's do this. Sa review muna tayo. Apparently, yung previous natin na lesson, hindi nyo na gets. May nagsabing medyo mahirap daw to some extent. Okay. So, medyo review muna tayo. If gets nyo na, dun lang tayo mapuproceed to the next lesson. Although kasi like, nafe-feel ko na like kung babalikan natin. Sige, whatever. Sige, balikan na lang natin. Okay, sige. First thing, okay, share ko yung screen ko. Let's open up a terminal. Review tayo sa ano. Oops. Review tayo sa Mongo. So Mongo again is document-based NoSQL database. So breaking that down, it's a document-based meaning hindi siya based siya sa documents, meaning hindi siya based on tables. Wala tayong tables sa Mongo compared to to the traditional RDBMSs. Wala tayong wala tayong rows and columns. Although meron tayong analogous to that, meron tayong collections and documents. So each document is an entry in the collection. So we have a collection of documents, we have a collection of objects. When you think about it, parang ganun. We have a collection of objects. So we have collections we don't have tables in Mongo. We have collections instead. We don't have rows and columns in Mongo. We have documents instead. And documents inside, meron tayong keys and values. And values could be also objects, could also be documents. We call them embedded documents. Tapos, it could be anything. So, I'm going to share my screen. Share my screen. Screen 1. Yep, I guess. Ayan. Yan. Cool. Okay. Tada. Medyo maliit ata. Ano? Andun na sa baba. Palitan natin konti. Yon. So, review tayo. Hindi ko makapasok ako. Yon. Again, sa pwede ba dito? Console.log? Wala. Okay, that's fine. Kung sasabihin natin na key value unexpected token why? Hindi, okay lang siguro. Test key value. Ayun. Ayaw nyo lang yung value mismo. Okay, assumptions. Kung may questions kayo, mag-ano lang kayo. May bell ba dito? Ting! Wala. That's sad. Sige, kung may questions kayo, ano na lang kayo. Tanungin nyo na lang, rekta. Okay. So yung documents natin, again, Mongo is a document-based NoSQL database. When you say NoSQL database, not only SQL, hindi siya constrained with the constraints of traditional SQL, which is, rigid schemas, tapos, tables. So, maraming NoSQL databases, like, document-based databases, key value databases, or key value stores. We have wide column or wide column / big table databases. We have graph databases. So yun yung mga major types ng mga NoSQL databases. So yun. And speaking of documents, yung itsura ng documents, when we say document sa Mongo, it's basically a JSON document. Alam niyo naman yung JSON, di ba? Class. Guess niyo naman yung JSON. Okay, so quick recap lang. Again, I think I can do the const. Ay, hindi yata. Wait lang. Ay, hindi. Naka-const na, so I can do that. Const test1. Yeah, I can, I guess. Okay. So, JSON, again, yung JSON spec talaga, it takes a string, tapos it takes a value. Could be another string. Could be a number. Could be an array or a list. Depends on where you're coming from. 1, 2, 3. Could be an array of numbers or array of. And the thing in JavaScript is that arrays are homogeneous. So they have the same. They're heterogeneous. They don't need to have the same type. Pero it still helps that they have the same type. In other languages, kasi you have to define that the array or the list has a particular type. In JavaScript, you don't need to do that because in MongoDB, JavaScript is the main language you'll be working with, especially in the Mongo CLI. Yun. So list could be another document. Uh, uh, name, and then end natin with this. Yun. So, no, we can't. I don't think we can display it though. Wait, may print ba dito? Meron. Pero kailangan natin i-stringify. Ano ba? Kalimutan ko na. Object dot. Tama ba? Stringify tapos parse. That doesn't work here. Object. Oh well, that's fine. Pero ito yung laman ng ano natin. Sige, try natin. Print test1.key. Yun. Kikita natin yung value niya. Number. Unknown type. Hindi nyo na-recognize. Just unknown type. Document. Unknown type. Pag hindi siguro primitive. Anyway. Yun. So, short ng JSON. Kasi na may JSON, no? So, it's just a document. So, JSON documents can contain other documents. Pwede kang mag-embed. Tapos, walang limit sa ano. Actually, technically, there's a limit sa sa depth ng isang JSON document. Pero, you'll probably never reach that unless you're insane. Okay. Kasi it's better to flatten out something like that eh. There are ways to actually flatten out pag ganun kahaba. When you think about it, if you embed a JSON document in a JSON document, you're basically creating a tree, a direct acyclic graph. So, because you can reference the parent, unless, actually, you can reference the parent. Pero, usually, it becomes a tree. Tapos, there are ways to flatten a tree. So, you don't need to worry about that too much, about the depth. Now, so, review tayo ng Mongo, syntax ng Mongo sa CLI. But, this syntax, itong mga parts after ng collection itself, this will be the same pag gagamitin nyo na. Since JavaScript to, pag ginamit natin siya sa JavaScript, it will be the same syntax kung anong ginagamit natin dito. So, show DBs, show collections. Yun. So, we have a collection of movies and users dito. So, again, nare-remember nyo pa ba yung command for for showing the contents of a collection? Guys, naalala? Yep. Yun. So, find. Talaga. May questions ba kayo? Ay may mga ha? Jason string 5 pala. Pretty? What do you mean? Parang piniprettify yung JSON? Yun lang. Wala dito sa sa command line kasi to eh. Tama, JSON stringify. Tagal ko nang di nagko-code eh. Nakakainis. How could I miss that? Yun, perfect. Nice catch. Ayun. So, JSON stringify. Ah, ano yan? Wait. That pretty. Okay. Yun. Yung my nodes tree. Yes, yun. That's the tree I was referring to. So, anyway, show collection. So, db.users.find. Tapos kung hahanapin lahat, i-specify natin is yun. Pretty. So, walang difference eh. Kasi hindi niya ipiprettify kung yun lang yung laman. Kung short lang siya. Kung mahaba, dun siya magpiprettify. Like kung sa movies na tayo. Yun. So, that pretty. Yun. Okay, so find is, yun. So, what if gusto natin hanapin yung sige, mag-query tayo dito sa collection na to. What if gusto ko yung genre na fantasy? Puro sila fantasy. Well, that's not helping. Sige, pero subukan natin. Hindi, kung maglagay tayo ng genre, na action, walang lalabas dapat. Wala. Good. So, kung sasabihin natin fantasy, lalabas yung dalawa dapat. Wala. Genres. Action, dapat walang lalabas. Yun, perfect. Tapos pag animated, yun, lumabas na. Kasi dalawa sa both sila kasi animated. So, we can filter by genre dito. So, isipin nyo, kung ganito na, like, sa actual na application, pag i-hit nyo na yung like, may drop down kayo na genres. May drop down kayo na genres. So, kung isa-select nyo yung genre, ito yung gagawin yung query. Ipa-plug nyo yung query na to. Right? Ano pa ulit? Wait. So, I don't need to see all the details. So, gagamitin ko is project. I think that was project. Tapos sasabihin ko title. That's the only thing I need. Project is not a function. Talaga. Wait lang ha. Nakakalimutan ko yung syntax. MongoDB project. Projection. Project yun eh. Baka mali lang yung Yes. Ay, comma lang. That's weird. Okay. I get it. Hindi kailangan ng dot project. Dito lang, katabi lang siya ng Sa find, kung gusto natin makita, there's too much information. So, gusto ko kunin ko lang is si title. Ayun. So, nakuha natin both si ID tapos si title. Dito. If gusto natin wala yung ID, pero unlikely na gagawin natin yun, ID 0. So, wala na yung ID. Title na yung kukunin natin. But that's unlikely. Unlikely siya kasi usually ginagamit talaga natin si ID. For like, if siya lang yung ita-target natin. Okay. Ano pa ba? Ano pa yung magagawa natin dito? Hindi, walang point eh. Kasi pareha silang genre. Dapat na gumawa pa ako ng mas diverse na dataset. Okay lang. Okay, question so far. Wala pa. Okay. Um, Yes. Okay, okay. So, gets nyo naman, no? Find. Gets nyo naman. Find. Tapos, pag magpa-project tayo, pag yung projection basically means na kukunin mo yung, mag-filter ka ng fields. Hindi lahat kukunin mo. Kasi by default, pag find tayo, for example, title, Castlevania. Oops, what did I miss? Tama. Movies, TV.movies. Yun. Nasanay ako sa ano. Kasi do you remember yung code natin? Hindi na db.movies. Selecta na, collection agad. Yung, dun. Okay lang. Kasi direct reference na yun to the collection. So you don't, kasi when we connected to Mongo, rekta tayo sa default DB. Doon sa code natin. Rekta tayo to default DB. And then we connect to the connection, to the collection. Once that's ready, yun yung ginagamit natin rekta. So, okay, nag-filter tayo na Castlevania lang. Okay, and then pwede tayong again, do you remember, pwede tayong mag-OR. Because kung ito, ganito lang, and to, pero pwede tayong mag-OR, like, oops, or, tapos ganito, tapos ilalagay natin dito yung conditions natin. Oops, exit ko. Okay, so gets naman yung db.find. Next is db.movies.insert. Magandang, ngayon, title, Crash Landing on You. Although to be fair, di ko pa siya napapanood. Yan. And inserted one. So, inserted one row. Insert. Okay. Ano pa ba? Maglagay tayo ng insert many. Pag-usapan natin ng insert many. Wala, insert many. Maglagay lang tayo ng marami. That's basically it. I think you take a list. Title. Title. Ano pa ba? Ano yung bago ngayon? The King? Ano ba yung title nun? Oops. Muntik na. So close. Yun. So, nag-insert tayo ng dalawang object. So, kung titingnan natin ngayon, db.movies, .find. Tapos, gusto ko i-project yung titles lang para hindi masyado marami. Okay, again, yung projection, the syntax is, okay, wait lang. Ito muna natin. Find, again, gets everything. Gusto natin title lang, after nung search query natin, comma, and then, we send another object. Yung laman ng object na to is kung ano yung fields na gusto natin ipakita. So, specify natin dito title 1. When you say 1, ini-include mo siya. Pag 0, hindi mo siya ini-include. So, when we say 1, ito lang yung include natin. If you want to include something else, like type 1. Yun. So, hindi siya masyadong, wait, we have to clear this out. Okay. Type 1, title 1. Okay, so nakikita si title plus si type. That is kung may type siya. Like, kung sa dito kanina, sa mga in-insert natin, wala tayong nilagay na type. So, walang nagpapakitang type. But if may type siya, if in-specify natin na type 1, magpapakita siya. Now, by default, naka 1 si ID. Magpapakita talaga si ID. Unless we specify in here na hindi mapapakita si ID. Again, 0 means na hindi nyo siya i-include. Yun. Okay. Tapos, for example naman, i-include lang natin is everything except for the videos. So, specify natin dito videos, 0. And that will display everything except for the videos na key. So, i-display pa rin niya yung genres. I-prettify natin para makita. So, ipapakita pa rin niya lahat ng genres. Tapos the other attributes, yung type, genre, kung meron sa document na yon. But yung videos hindi niya ipapakita. Ayun. So, kung gusto natin yung videos lang, 1. Tapos yung videos lang ipapakita. Yung ibang walang videos na object, hindi sila mapapakita. Yung ano lang mapapakita sa kanila. Yung ID. Okay. So before that, yung nira natin is insert many. Again, okay, so meron tayong insert 1 and insert. Yung insert by default, isa lang ibibigay niya. For insert many, ibibigay natin is a list. So, pinapakita dito, binibigyan natin dito is a list. Yun, a list. A list of 2 objects, two documents. Yung isa title, Itaewon class. Second is the king. Yun yung dalawang objects natin. And when we pass that in, recta, yun yung ano niya. Yung values niya. Again, if we insert this, may insert to. Kasi wala naman tayong concept of like distinct na nilagay dito. Unless we specify that. Although I haven't tried that before. Sige nga, tingnan natin. Paano? Distinct fields MongoDB. I've never tried that before. Wala talaga, ano. May distinct na query. Alam ko may distinct na query. Pero walang distinct na like constraint. And that makes sense because schema-less si Mongo. Pero I would have assumed na meron to some extent. Maybe may way to do that. Maybe programmatic na yung way of doing that. Pero like as an affordance sa MongoDB apparently wala. Okay. Questions? Wala so far. Gets? So about insert many tas projections. Wala ba yung questions? Wala. Gets? Okay. So wait, nag-stream pa ba? Check natin. Kasi di na pala naka-record, no? Yes. Still being recorded. Cool. Right. What the hell? Okay. Next. Gets ba? So far? Okay. Sige. What's next? Insert CRUD, create, read, tapos sa create, read, update, you get it na. So, same thing, may update 1, update many. First things first is specify natin is yung kung anong i-edit natin. So first, find what you're editing. So, title class. Tapos set. Tama. If I'm not mistaken. Itaewon Clash. Yun. Okay. Matched 1, modified 1. Upserted 0. Upserted is basically like, if it doesn't exist, it will be inserted. Yun yung ibig sabihin niya. So, wala tayong upserted because that already exists. Actually, kung isa-set natin to something that doesn't exist yet. Hindi siya, ha? Hindi siya nag-ano. I think may conditions to upset. I think may siniset to na ano. May siniset to dito na sasabihin mo na upset siya. Sad. Okay. Tingnan natin. Google is your friend. Upsert MongoDB. Upsert. Bagal lang net. See? Called it. Dito sa ano. Dito nga. So, katabi ng set. Specify mo na upsert. Oops. Upsert 1 or true? Baka true. Update modifier. So, wait. Hindi ba doon nilalagay? For real? After pa. Isang ano pa. Ano pa ba yung options niya? Multi, write concern. Okay. Maruhodo. So, hindi dito. May another ano pa. May another object pa na paglalagyan. Dito. Upsert true. Yun. So, upserted 1. So, although it's this is a weird operation though when you think about it. Kasi like if may edit ka that doesn't exist and it's created and for example mali yung nilagay mo, mali yung sinearch mo and nalagay instead yung object na yun, it doesn't make sense. It's weird. So like for example, gusto mong mag-edit ng movie na ito yung Itaewon, gusto mong ayusin yung Itaewon class dapat. So it gets added instead. So that's a weird operation. Pero it has its uses. Wala lang akong maisip as of the moment. Pero may uses to. Like if it doesn't exist, it gets created. Maybe if you create a game na super simple na magko-connect kayo lahat on a particular network, mag-sign in ka with a particular username, and if it doesn't exist yet, it gets created. Right. So that's one So like if wala ka masyadong security concerns to some extent, that's fine. Also, ano pa? Actually, like Mongo is pretty good with when you think about it for actually hindi when you think about it, hindi ko pa ito na-discuss. Mongo has something that's called change stream. So basically, you watch a particular collection, and then when something happens to that collection, when an event happens, for example, when something is deleted, when something is added, you're automatically you're informed in real time. So if you want to create real time applications based on changes on a database, you can definitely do that on MongoDB. Like for example, instead na mag-refresh ka and make another query, while that thing happened, automatic kang may inform and you do the change automatically. So for example, may dalawa kayong applications na naka-open, tapos nag-delete ako ng something dito sa application. Sa application mo na naka-open, it will automatically delete dun sa'yo. For example, sa example natin, yung project natin ginagawa, yung Betflix, for example. If I delete a movie in there, dun sa'yo, in real time, makikita mong na-delete siya. So that's one thing that you can do. That's an advanced concept. That's something you can explore. It's called change streams or change log. Hindi pwede change log. Event stream. It's called by many names. Depende sa kung anong platform yung check mo. Did I just close the... Wala, did I? Wala. No, I did not. Yes. Can you say that again? Mm-hmm. Hindi, if tama yung if upsert is update or insert. Okay. So if you found the thing that you want to update, it will update it. If it does not exist, it will get added. Gets. So again, okay, sige, tingnan natin. So, did I? Sige, change ko to. Itaewon Clash yung kanina. So ayun, matched, modified. So hindi siya upserted, hindi siya nadagdag. Okay. So if we bagal. Itaewon clerk. I'm running out of puns. Okay. Oh, crap. So, magdadalawa yun. So, upserted na siya instead of modified. Kasi, in-specify natin upsert true. If we disable this, wala siyang gagawin. 000. Gets? Okay. Questions so far? Wala. Okay. So, proceed. What's next? Wala bang clear dito? Clear? Wala. Okay. Sige. Sure. Okay. What's next? Yes. Sige, tingnan natin. I'm not sure if may soft delete. I don't think so. MongoDB soft delete. Meron ba? No. I see. Okay. Wala siyang... Pero when you think about it din, wala ding soft delete. Walang soft delete si SQL eh. I don't think may soft delete sa most na programming languages. Sa most database systems, let me think if may soft delete pa yun. I think HBase has soft delete. Yeah, meron nga soft delete si HBase. Pero si MongoDB wala siyang soft delete. When you say soft delete, you delete it virtually, but physically it's still there. So basically you can still retrieve it. So but MongoDB does not have that functionality. Instead, what you can do is design or model your collection or your documents in such a way that it allows for soft deletes. So how do you do that? You can add sa sa sige, sabihin natin itong natin, Itaewon, hindi ko na na-track yung mga Itaewon. EB that nakut ko. That Find title. Is it possible to search this? Hindi talaga. Ganito. I guess. Yun. Okay, itong tatlo. Okay, sige. Update. Update many. Update natin sila na magkaroon ng set deleted false. Now, when I call these, again, I'm using regex to find these, guys. Okay. So, meron na silang deleted na deleted na field. So, yung gagawin mo na lang is if okay, find db.movies.find title. Complicated dito sa ano. Okay. A1. Tapos, I think there's better. Well, kung naka-index tayo. Anyway, deleted false. So, makikita natin sila lahat. Now, if you want to do something like a soft delete, right? Pwede mong gawin na yung mga Itaewon clam. update many. Itaewon clam. Sabihin natin, okay, I don't like this. I don't want it. Specify ko na deleted through sila. So, it's now been soft deleted. It has not been deleted completely, but in your query, sa query mo, when you want to find it, sasabihin mo deleted false. So, makikita mo na lang is yung Itaewon clan. Hindi na yung mga incorrectly named Itaewon clam. Okay, kasi specify na natin na deleted true na sila. So, again, when you search for it, yung dalawang clam is deleted true. So, it's been soft deleted to some extent. So, sa query mo, dun sa application mo, yung gagawin mo na lang is deleted false. So, hindi na sila mapapakita. Parang soft deleted sila, but they're still technically there. Gets ba? Yes, it's a flag that specifies that these are deleted. Gets? Pero yun, soft delete to. Okay. Then you can at a certain time, for example, if ayaw mo na talagang nag-exist sila kasi napupuno na yung database mo, you can just db.movies that may job ka na nagra-run. When we say job, it's something that hindi siya part ng program mo, but it runs. It's a program that runs. Tapos usually it's something that's scheduled or repeats. So, pwede kang mag-create ng job na magra-run ng db.movies delete many, tapos specify mo deleted, lahat ng deleted true. Okay? So, nag-delete siya ng 2 values. Deleted count is 2, which is yung kanina kasi dalawang values yung na-delete. Gets? Itong dalawang clam na values kasi both sila deleted true. Now, like, at regular intervals, you can run a job that runs this. So, i-delete nga yung mga like for example, every week, i-delete mo yung mga soft deleted after mo maggumawa ng analysis on them, for example. Gets ba? Oh, yung dalawa. So, when we find it, wala na sila. Okay? Gets? So, since walang affordance si MongoDB on soft deletes, some databases kasi have have affordances on that, have features na soft delete, like HBase has a feature on soft delete. But MongoDB doesn't. So it falls sa developer to implement soft delete. So this is one of the ways that you can use soft delete. Okay, gawa ka ng deleted na ano na na field sa isang document. So or you can add a meta field, tapos embedded siya, nandun yung deleted sa meta field na yun. Okay, good, gets? Okay, so delete many, meron tayong delete one, meron tayong delete many. Same lang din si delete one kung ano yung first na mag-match dun sa ano niya, sa query niya, yun lang yung i-delete niya. Tapos si delete many, lahat na nag-match sa query niya is i-delete niya. Okay, gets. Yun lang naman for delete. And we covered everything na. So any questions ba? Like para super sure ako na nuggets niya yung yung foundations. Questions? Sure kayo? Lahat kayo? Okay, gets na. Okay. Projection basic. Nag ako doon Nag cognitive dissonance ako doon Wait lang. Pag filtering kasi, usually when you say filtering, filter mo yung ano yung magiging results, ano yung actually nalalabas. Yung projection basically means which fields will be displayed. Gets? Projection is telling Mongo which fields to display. Okay, gets? Yeah, but okay. Question. Yes, what is it? Or PDF, all about this. Will I make a PDF? Nasa documentation kasi to so I don't think I need to. But okay, I'll add this up in the wiki. May wiki tayo alam niyo naman yung wiki, di ba? Teams. May wiki tayo. Sana, although halos wala pa akong nilagay. Yes. Pero kasi hindi kasi ako mahilig mag super detail sa PowerPoint kasi like babasahin niyo lang yung PowerPoint, walang point makinig sa instructor kung nandun lahat. Although may slides dito, yung pinakita lang, yung sinabi ko lang dito na may CRUD capabilities si 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 Mongo. Oops, sorry. Sorry, what? Let me think about it. I don't really like putting a lot of details on PowerPoint. So basically, it's just a placeholder for me. So instead na so I'll add it up on the wiki. I won't create a PowerPoint on this. I'll add it on the wiki instead. So sorry, what? No, add some. The video is already being streamed, so you don't need to worry about that. So you can just listen to this again. But the additional stuff that we talked about, I'll add it in, like projections, And soft deletes, I guess, yun lang naman yung special na pinag-usapan natin, projections and soft deletes. Kasi everything, kasi we discussed this already, and they're just CRUD operations. Kailangan ilalagay mo din yung parang system of capital there. Yeah, yung special na dinagdag na naman natin dito is yung projections and soft deletes. Soft deletes na basically not it's not a syntax, it's just a semantic addition to your collection to allow for it's a part of your data model, data design. And then especially lang siguro nilalagay ko doon is upsert tapos projections dun sa wiki. And I lost the calls. Okay. Uh, any more questions? So, no, hindi ako gagawa ng PPT dito, pero ilalagay ko sa wiki. Sige, lagyan na natin ngayon para hindi so we're not losing time to some extent. Wiki dito. Wait, hide this. Oops, new page. Mongo. So, mag-add tayo ng section on CRUD syntax. May header. Those. Heading, I guess heading 2. Projection. Hindi, wait lang. Heading 2 is crap. Find. What? Find, insert, update, delete. Para maalala ko later. Kasi hindi ako talaga I don't, it, feel ko useless yung PowerPoint kung hindi siya pinipresent. Tapos pointless na ilagay mo yung details sa PowerPoint kasi babasahin lang naman ng students. Nagturo ka pa. Basahin mo na lang yung documentation. So instead of creating a PowerPoint, lagay ko na lang dito. No, of course not. Yung important bits. So obviously not. So okay. If you don't know something, just Google it. Yung pinaka-importanting isa sa mga pinaka-importanting things to learn before kayo pumunta sa industry. Matuto kayo mag-Google, matuto kayo mag-Stack Overflow. Dalawang yun. So, if you don't know something, search for it. Ilalagay ko dito yung special stuff na hindi hindi nila nilalagay sa documentation or hindi niyo agad makikita sa documentation. So, for example, dito, ilalagay na gawa tayong maliit na heading for soft delete kasi wala naman to sa documentation. I'll just add stuff in here instead. So, mga special stuff like upserts, tapos find insert as a find projections. Although yung projections nasa documentation pero hindi nyo agad makikita na pag open nyo, boom, nandun agad. So, we'll add it here. Find, ulit? Inisip ko. Projections. Okay. So I'll fill that in later on. Chat. Hindi. Wala ako. Posts. Meeting now. There we go. Questions. Okay na. So I won't make a PowerPoint or PDF for this. But okay, to some extent it yung ano, yung wiki natin, yun yung magsa-serve as ano natin, pinaka PDF of sorts, maybe. So ilalagay ko doon yung mga, sorry. Yeah. Just check it out. Nag-stream naman tayo. I think, are we still streaming? Let me check. Are we still streaming? Yep, we're still streaming. Cool. Kasi I don't want to save this on my, I don't want to save this on my computer. Kasi wala na akong space. Yung dati, 22 gig, tapos inano ko pa, kinompress ko pa. Pero gig pa rin, ang laki. Ilang oras din yan. Okay, any more questions on this? Wala na. Anybody else? Okay na kayo? Basta yung ano, sino pa ba yung, wait, sino ba yung participants ngayon? Ano ba yan? Di tayong attendance. Ito ata yun. Temp attendance. So, yung mga nandito lang yung, oops. Okay, today is April, seryoso, April 18 na. Na-track yung, um, So, sino ulit yung mga yung mga required yung attendance dito po? Oo nga, no? I remember, I just record it, pero, oo nga, no? Pagkakaalala ko, hindi required yung attendance eh. Pupo, wala na to. Tapos si Tandayo, wala na. So, yung wala dito, Basilio, wala. Yes, nandito, no? Quinones, wala. Ay, Ong, nandito. Ano ba yan? Wait, Quinones. No? Robles, yes. Tan, yes. Tama ba? Yes. Tomas, yes. Valerio, yes. Yeah, but yes. Okay. Save this. Kung hindi kailangan, kaya lang. Ignore it. Pero I'll just take it. Take the attendance. Kaya lang. Okay. So, wait lang. Sorry guys. On ko yung aircon. Ang init. Okay. Wala na bang questions? Sure na. Gets niya na. Again, db.find. Gets niya naman yung syntax nung no? Nung paano mag-query. It's just a JSON object lang siya. Yung pag-find natin. So, specify mo lang yung field na gusto mong hanap. So, pag mag-find tayo to filter, find is basically like filtering. Pag ito, wala kang filter. So, kukunin mo lahat. So, kung filtering, again, specify mo lang yung what do you want to filter on. So, ano ba yung gusto mong hanapin? Like, series, type, is series. Hanapin mo na yung type niya is series. So, yun lang, basically. So, yun, hinanap niya yung mga may type. Yung mga walang type, hindi niya pinakita. Or, sige, wait lang. Um, if we assume na, if we assume na yung type, if we assume na yung mga bago na walang type is series, we can do something like, or, uh, tawag nun, type series, comma, exists. Or mas, yes. Sorry. Hindi tama. Tapos, hindi. Kasi dapat ano to. So, add top level operator. So, hindi siya top level operator. Kalimutan ko na yung syntax ng ano. Google it tayo. Field not exists. MongoDB. Hindi, I don't think this is what I'm looking for. Oops. Bagal yung net. Exists. Huh? I see. Okay. Pero dun siya sa okay. Hindi yes. Type exists. Ayun. Kung ito-true natin to, hindi mo papakita yung iba. Right? Crap. False. Yan. Ito yung mga yung ibang ano, kasi schemaless si Mongo, 'di ba? Schemaless si Mongo. So, yung iba wala pa tayong type. Title pa lang yung nilagay natin. So, if we are to assume na yung mga kukunin natin lahat ng series, but if we are to assume na yung mga bagong nilagay ay hindi ay series sila, so isa-search din natin na ano, yung mga yung mga objects, yung mga documents na yung type field nila hindi nag-exist. So walang type field. So ipapakita din natin sila. So yun yung query na to. Okay, so ito ay ilalagay natin dun sa ano natin, sa wiki kasi hindi siya super common din. Saan yung ano natin? Teams, wiki, non-existing non-existing fields. Okay, sige. Saved. Posts. Sure, walang Sir, nakapasok pa si Andre. Okay. But temp attendance. Quinones. Yes. Wala lang si Basilio tapos yung dalawang nawala. Okay. Okay na? Wala nang questions? Okay. Gets niyo yung ano? Gets niyo yung medyo confusing lang yung ano niya, yung syntax, yung ano, anong bumili ng bagong MacBook. Yung type na to, so instead na sinearch natin is directly yung ano, directly yung value niya. And specify natin dito if nag-exist ba siya or hindi. So, so yung query natin dito is find if yung type niya is series or yung type na yun does not exist. Pero ilalagay natin to dun sa ano, sa wiki, don't worry. Kasi hindi siya super common na operation. We'll add it there. Yun. So, may mga kapatid pa ba tong explore natin? May mga kapatid pa ba tong ano? Exists. Ayun, element query operators. So, may mga kapatid si exists. Ano yung mga kasama niya? Ay, dalawa lang. Okay. So, it's either exists or of a particular type siya. Maybe if int or float or string siya, I guess. Okay. Naruhodo. Ay, mag-stream pa ba tayo? Oh my God, nawala ata. Oo nga, sige, check ko lang ah. Ay, streaming pa. For some reason. How is that happening? Magic. So, hindi natin masastop yung stream. Hindi ko masastop yung stream. Streaming pa rin. Ha, that's weird. Okay. Tingnan natin. Kung nakat na yung stream o hindi pa. Ah, nawala. Okay. Sige, wait lang. Ayusin natin. Let's fix it. Screen share. Your entire screen. Perfect. Send to live. Updating stream. Okay na. Yung stream. Pero that's fine kasi like, that's fine. Anyway. Sige. Where were we? Nakakano tong isa. Okay. Pasok center. Regarding sa CRUD. Dalawang types lang. Dito sa ano, like, exist, pwede tayong exist or pwedeng type, ano yung type ng field na to. For example, yung gusto nating type is yung int lang or string lang or whatever. That's not something that you usually do though. Hindi natin din gagamitin dito right now. It doesn't make sense for now. But I'll add this in, anong tawag dito? Okay. Na-add ko naman dun, non-existent types. Mas bilis magano. Okay, gets ba? Sige. Well, proceed tayo. So, ano yung gagawin natin next? Pero sure kayong gets nyo na, ah. Sure kayo na gets nyo na. Mm. Yun lang naman yun eh. Find is just an object. Specify an object. Tapos, for the other operations, magfa-find ka din. Kasi like, if mag-update ka, syempre, hanapin mo yung i-update mo. Si delete, i-update mo yung, hahanapin mo yung i-delete mo. Si insert, well, yun. Siya yung different. Mag-add ka ng ano. I-add mo lang rekta. Hindi ka maghahanap first. But okay, I'll add in the basic syntax dun sa wiki in case hindi kayo nakakapag-Google. So, ayun. Hmm. Guess nyo na, no? Sure kayo? Kasi, yung Mongo CLI, hindi siya actually, or yung mga ano, yung mga like Compass, for that matter, hindi sila super helpful pag gumagawa ka, well, helpful sila pag ano, pag as an admin, chine-check mo yung laman ng DB. Pero if gumagawa ka ng DB, ng database, hindi ka magmo-Mongo CLI, hindi ka mag ano, hindi ka mag hindi ka magko-compass to create an application. So, walang point of learning this if hindi tayo gumagawa ng application. So, kailangan natin gumawa ng application. Ang weird naman nun kung next classes nyo, gagamit kayo ng MongoDB, tapos di kayo marunong gumamit in the context of an application. Walang point yung course na to. Okay, so kailangan natin gamitin sa application. So babalik tayo dun sa ginawa nating oh sorry. Mabilis ba? Okay. Sige. Sige. Mabagal na to. Sige. Sige. Let's slow it down. Again, I'm assuming gets nyo na. So, ang importance lang na gumagamit tayo ng Mongo CLI is that yung syntax dito, well, most of the syntax like yung pag-filter is basically the same na syntax na gagamitin natin for pagagamitin na natin siya sa application. So yung mga find tapos yung object natin same pa rin yun. Yung delete tapos pinapasok natin na object same pa rin yun. That's still the thing that we'll be looking for sa paggawa ng application. So, subukan natin ulit gumawa ng application. We'll start fresh. Pero break tayo at 9:15. Sige. Exit ko muna to. Ano ba yung... So, sige, wala, I think. So, gagawa ako ng folder na... So, gagawin muna natin dito is kukunin natin yung tawag nito. Magme-make tayo ng queries to some extent kay MongoDB using Mongoose. So si Mongoose again, siya yung nagko-connect sa server from yung server natin dun sa database natin. Okay? Gets? So si Mongo is currently running on my local. It's there, it's running. So I can technically connect to that. Yung Mongo CLI natin, actually, it's connecting to the Mongo server. Our Mongo CLI, pag mag-type tayo ng Mongo, that is not our server. Yung server natin is si MongoD, if you remember. So this is just a client which is connecting to Mongo, to our Mongo server. Now, Yung gagawin natin is we want to connect from our server, which is hindi pa nag-exist na yun. We want to connect from our server to to Mongoose. Sorry. To our MongoDB server using Mongoose. So magko-connect tayo kasi we can't directly connect to Actually we can, pero it's a difficult process. Having a direct connection is a difficult process. So what we usually do when we create an application is we use a driver or or a connector or an ORM to some extent, or in this case an ODM, an object document model. An object document mapper to connect to MongoDB to or for any database for that matter. So gagawa akong Netflix. Talaga wala akong naka-install dito. Okay. Yun, so nandito na ako sa Betflix na folder. Now, first things first, npm init. Okay, ito yung mga parts na hindi nyo kailangan masyado intindihin kasi once gagamitin nyo to, created na siya dapat. Version 0.1.0. Hindi nyo dapat problemahin to. Wala description. Yes, yun yung entry point. Test command, wala muna. Repository, wala. Keywords, wala muna. So, when I run npm init, pag tingnan ko yung laman ng folder, may package.json. So, may package.json dito. Okay. So, hindi nyo na kailangan masyado problemahin yan. Pero basically, si package.json yung naglalaman ng date, ng information about sa project natin. In this case, ano yung mga dependencies natin? Yung dependency natin this time around is Mongoose. So, install that. I-run ni npm install Mongoose. Wait. Sorry. Save. Feel ko na-update na to pero matagal na akong di nagko-code. By matagal, I mean a few months. Puro ko admin stuff eh. Okay. Mongoose. So may Mongoose na tayo. Again, Mongoose is the connector from our server to the MongoDB server. Okay. So, I'm not actually sure if gagana to na rekta na connection. Pero tingnan natin, right? Vim index. Sige, mag VS Code na lang tayo para hindi walang mag-faint. Nakita niyo ba si VS Code? Hindi. Wait lang. Nakikita niyo ba? So, nakikita niyo meron tayong package.lock. Meron ba? Nakikita niyo? Okay, nakikita nga siya sa stream. Okay, so, nung nag-run tayo ng npm install, nag-generate siya ng node modules. Basically, nandito yung mga lahat ng dependencies, including Mongoose na dito. Tada! Yung Mongoose. Tapos, itong lahat, yung mga dependencies ni Mongoose. Ito yung actual talaga na MongoDB na mag-connect na connector, pero it's complicated. Mahirap siyang gamitin for normal humans like us. So, gagamit tayo ng Mongoose para mapadali yung buhay natin. So, in this case, gagawa ko ng index.js. Ito yung entry point natin. Dito yung code natin. Pero I'm not sure if, yung hindi ko lang sure is mag-work ba na walang server kung nag-Mongoose tayo, mag-work ba na walang server? Let's see. Sige, punta tayo kay. So, if hindi nyo maalala yung syntax, mag-Google kayo. Actually, depende siguro. Actually, sa exam natin sana, if pwede mag-Google, pwede kayong mag-Google. yung wala akong pake masyado sa syntax basta alam nyo gamitin. So okay lang ako mag-Google basta magawa niyo yung task. I'm not sure though if i-allow ni university ni ni school na mag-ano tayo na mag-exam tayo na naka-open yung internet na pwede kayo mag-Google. I'm not sure if i-allow nila yon. Pero if it's up to me, pwede kayong mag-Google sa exam. I don't care. Basta magawa niyo yung task. If di niyo magawa yung task na naka-Google kayo, ewan ko na lang. So, like, yung sa previous company ko, ako yung gumawa ng entrance exam. Pwede silang mag-Google, pero hindi pa sila pumapasa. Nakakaiyak. Anyway, so ayun, gawa tayong, so copy lang natin yung code na to. Right. Up May 30 po yung hindi ba online po yung finals namin po. Is up to, I'll have to check with the schedule. I'm really bad at schedules. But if online yung finals nyo, edi yeah, nice. Pwede kayong mag-internet. So, yun, nice. Sana makapasa kayo. Hindi naman siguro mahirap. Parang feel ko gagawa lang kayo din ng ganito. Kung ano yung ginawa natin dito, parang ganito din. Pero may konting modifications lang, I guess. Pero syempre, may degree of difficulty. Kasi like, yan ay yung point na mo exam kung pwede nyo i-copy-paste yung project. Anyway, so open na tayo sa VS Code. File will fall under this time sa school. Ang final sa school na mismo. Okay. Well, tingnan natin, no? Kahit nasa school na siya, I'll ask if pwede tayong mag-Google for the exam beforehand. I'll ask Sir Bennett, I guess, if pwedeng naka-open yung Google for the exam. Kasi hindi naman makakatulong naman yun sa Google. Makakatulong naman yun yung Google for the syntax. So, I don't care if you don't know the syntax. I just need to know na alam niyo yung general flow. Alam niyo nag-exist si Mongoose, alam niyo kung ano yung flow niya. Tapos gagamitin niyo na lang yung syntax. I don't care. Basta alam ko na magagamit niyo si Mongoose at si MongoDB to build an application. So like for example, yun na yung pagagawin ko. Like, maybe parang may UI, pero kayo yung gagawa ng server. Parang feel ko ganun yung magiging exam natin. May UI, gagawa kayo ng server. Which is, ito yung ginagawa natin. So, kahit hindi kayo marunong mag-UI, kasi hindi naman yun yung subject natin, ako na yung gagawa ng UI, then, ilalagay ko na lang sa UI kung ano yung, ah, hindi na yung paproblemahin yung front end, problemahin yung back end. Ganun yung magiging exam natin. So, try natin na pwede online. Pwedeng mag-Google. If hindi pwede mag-Google, we'll figure something out. Sige, quick test lang. Tingnan natin. Yes, it's running on 20717. I'm not sure if it's test though. I think it's default, pero okay lang. Yes, this should be fine. Cat, no. Movie. Model cat. Movie. Title. String. Uh, Mag-add tayo ng movie. Movie. Title. I don't know. Team high. Seryoso. Ito yung nakalagay. D. Ito yung ito-display natin. Let's see if gumana siya. If hindi siya gumana, we'll create hindi siya gumagana ng unang server. So basically we'll create a server muna, I guess. Node dot. And it works. Okay, so pwedeng mag-work na walang server. So let's work on this first. Let's try learning about Mongoose first without a server para hindi tayo ma-overwhelm, I guess. So that's it. Break muna tayo. If you want, keep looking at this code muna. Pero break tayo for 15 minutes. 15 minutes ata. Sige, resume tayo at 9:35. Na. Sige, make it 9:40, I guess. Alright. If may questions kayo, chat na lang sa meeting chat. And I highly encourage you to ask questions. Right? Sa part na to. So, America. 15-minute break tayo. So, America. Nice. So, Maripa. Oh, shit. Oh, well. Mm. Maganda yung kunin ko. Mm. So, Maripa. Mhm. Mhm. Tripolis. Hmm. Ano? Dalawa na lang. Crap. Hmm. Ayun. Hmm. Tapos Hmm. Fine. What? Hmm. Mhm. So naman pa. Psst. Yun ang bawal. Oh, shh. Hello? Okay na kayo? Okay, sige. Ah, proceed tayo dito. Okay. Let's break this down. So kanina, niran natin to, yung command na to, using Node kasi backend to. Wait. So, yung dinagdag natin dito, nagdagdag tayo ng Dream High dito, right? So, yung gusto natin gawin, gusto natin i-check kung nandun nga siya. So, balik tayo sa Mongo. And check natin kung nandun nga siya. db.movies at find title Dream High. Ay, sorry. Close. Yep. Okay, so nandun. Na-create na si Dream High. There we go. The next is breakdown natin to. Okay. So, bigyan natin ng konting space. Para hindi siya intimidating. Okay. So, first na ginawa natin dito is import Mongoose. So, ito yun, require Mongoose. So, basically, kumukuha lang tayo ng reference to Mongoose to the library. Okay, so pwede na, basically, kinukuha natin si Mongoose para magamit natin siya. Okay, so meron na tayong Mongoose. Next is, magko-connect tayo kay local server natin. Localhost 27017, magko-connect tayo dun. So, localhost is our current machine. Yun yung localhost. 27017 is yung default port ni Mongo. So, yung port is basically ano yung entry point to that service. Kasi maraming services sa isang computer or sa isang server. Tapos, if you want to communicate to those services, we need to know their particular ports. Okay? So, in this case, yung port ni Mongo is 27017. Yun yung default niya. Yun yung ginagamit din natin. Then, test is the DB natin. Then, MongoDB. Ito, I'm not sure what these are, but since naka-true sila, i-true na lang natin. Ayun, may naka-ano pala. Ano, flag for using new server discovery and monitoring engine. Okay. Deprecated na daw yung old one. Flag for using new URL string parser instead of current. Deprecated one. Okay, so mga ano lang to. Gagamitin yung bago na features instead of yung old ones. Okay. Sige. Next is, okay, important part. Mongoose model movie. So mag-create tayo ng model. Ano yung model? Ito basically yung representation ng ano natin. Representation ng documents natin sa inside ng server natin, or in this case ng code natin kasi hindi pa naman to server to some extent. So gagawa tayo ng movie na model. So, you can name this anything, yung call this cat again. Pero, importante is yung name ng model. So, ito yung name ng model. Then, ano yung schema ng model? Okay? Ano yung schema ng model? Which is, in-specify mo dito. So, again, title. Tapos, ano yung type ng ano natin? Type ng tawag nito. Type ng key natin. So, I type ng value na ano. So, ano yung naman ng title? Is it a string? Yes, it is a string. So, string yung gamit natin. And then, depende pa yung kung ano yung iba dito. Like, Ano pa ba yung iba? Uh, yung type. Yung type is also a string. And then, genres. Genres would be an array. Okay. And then dito, nag-create tayo ng, gumawa tayo ng instance ng movie. So, ito na yung part na, so tapos after that, nag-save tayo. So, ito yung part na gumagawa tayo ng ganito. Di ba sa db.insert, sa db.movies.insert, ilalagay natin to. So, si movie, it pertains to the collection kasi hindi natin alam kung ano yung collection ngayon. So, si movie, since movie siya, ina-assume na niya na yung collection is movies. Okay? Yun yung assumption niya. If movie yung pangalan ng model mo, yung collection mo is movies. Unless specified otherwise. Which makes sense naman. Kasi your collection should be plural. Usually, yun talaga yun. It's a convention. So, constant movie equals new movie. So, gumagawa ka na tayong movie. So, yung movie na yun, isa-save natin. Tapos, yung then na to is makukall yan once ma-save na. So, this is called a callback. Pag matapos yung save, kasi yung nangyayari, di ba, when we hit save, pag mag-run tong save na to, mag-connect, ipapasa niyo yung movie sa MongoDB server, which travels over the network. So, tatravel siya, ibibigay niya kay MongoDB, tapos magbibigay ng acknowledgement. Yun yung nakikita natin na write acknowledgement dun sa dun sa, tawag na to, dun sa Mongo CLI, yung write acknowledgement. So, magbibigay siya ng acknowledgement na write nga yun. Once it's written, babalik yun dito, and then tatawagin niya si then, which is this function right here. Tapos, i-display niya yung data na binigay balik ni MongoDB. Kung anong binalik ni MongoDB, ito yung laman ng D. So, pwede natin tawagin itong data. So, kung ano yung laman, yung binigay ni MongoDB na acknowledgement, which is yung laman talaga ni ng actual na na-save na model natin, yun yung data na ibibigay ng MongoDB. Tapos dito, i-display lang natin console.log. Again, so yung flow is connect to MongoDB. Then, create a model for the movies collection. Yung pangalan ay movie. And specify schema. Although schemaless si Mongo, kailangan pa rin yung mga gumagamit kay Mongo, kailangan nilang malaman kung ano yung laman ni ano yung laman ng objects ni collection natin, ni movies collection natin. So hindi niya alam kung anong laman nun. So hindi niya matatanong basta-basta kay movies na ibigay mo sa akin yung collections mo without actually making a query. So yung mag-provide nun is si developer. Which is nice kasi for example, may fields tayo na hindi natin gusto gamitin. Like ayaw natin ipakita yung videos. Like so dito may naglagay tayo ng videos. Pero what if ayaw natin ipakita yung videos? Hindi natin siya include. Hindi na siya kukunin. Right? Kasi yung model natin, hindi na siya ipaprocess kasi yung model natin, yung laman ng is title, type, tapos genres. Okay? Yun. So, next is create na tayo ng actual movie. So, ibibigay natin yung details ng movie and then after that, we save. Now, sorry. Sumigaw ako sa mic. Yes. Ay, may mga questions pala kayo sa Sige, go ahead. Sorry, again. Hindi. Nandito lang siya katabi lang siya ng node modules, hindi siya sa loob. So, kung titingnan mo yung ano, itsura niya, oops, ganito. Nakikita niyo ba? Ito, nandito yung index.js. Tapos, katabi niya yung node modules. Gets? Okay. So, dito sa pag-run ko, pinindot ko node dot. Pero it's basically just node index.js din. Kasi pag wala akong in-specify na directory ay na file, hahanapin niya si index.js. Tapos ito, create Dream High Movie, save to MongoDB, and display to console. Ito lang yun. That's basically it. So, how about kung gusto natin, comment muna natin to. What if gusto natin kunin yung isang ano dito? Yung isang wag na lang isa. Kunin natin lahat. So, kung gusto natin kunin lahat, maganda dito sa code editor natin may ano tayo, may kodigo. So, pag maganda kung sa computers natin sa lab may kodigo din tayo. Anyway, find finds documents. I-specify natin dito yung ano din. Actually, wala. Wala tayong i-specify. So, ano yung iti-take nito? I'm guessing this is okay, sige. Huwag na tayo mag-async await. Then data. Console.log data. So, kukunin natin lahat, ideally. Yes. Hindi. Tinatry mo. Nag-npm install mongoose ka na. npm install save mongoose. Ginawa mo na yan. Wait, paste ko sa ano. Ha? Actually, it doesn't, yung purpose lang ni save is para madagdag siya dito sa package.json. Para nandito na siya. Para next time, like kung sino man gagamit ang project na to, hindi na sila magta-type ng, kung ano may mga dependencies natin, hindi sila magta-type ng npm install mongoose, etc. Kung ano pang gusto nilang yan. I-run na lang nila is npm install. Tapos lahat ng nasa dependencies ay i-install na niya. Okay? Yun yung point ng save para malagay siya dito sa dependencies. Although feel ko may better version. Matagal na akong di nagwe-web eh. Feel ko may bagong syntax na to. Pero yun yung dati. Okay, sige. Nice. So nice, may node ka na naka-install kasi trinay nyo naman to siguro dati, yung assignment before. Okay, gets nyo na. So find, okay, ganito. Same pa rin yung syntax dito movie.find, wait, ano ko na lang dito. Sige, i-breakdown natin to para masaya. Ilagay natin dito sa baba. Diyan. Masaya. Sige, palitan natin to. Gawin natin movie query para mas clear. Const movie query. Oops. Or Find all series. Sige, sabihin natin. Para madaling basahin. Tapos, ganito. Const display data. So, display. Para yung code natin, ay, what the hell. Para mas masaya basahin yung code natin. So, yung gagawin natin dito is, yung goal natin is, movie, sa movies na collection, find all series, then display data. Gets? So, currently, kung irarun natin to, i-display niya lahat. So, what if gusto natin kunin is may specific na type lang talaga na series? So, yung gagawin natin dito is the usual thing na ginagawa natin sa Mongo CLI, type series. Ano yung type niya? Type niya is series. So, find yung type niya all series. This is synonymous to, ilagay lang natin to dito sa loob. Pwede din yan. That will work. So, try natin to. If we run this, ayun, so kinuha niya yung may mga, so may type siya na series. Yung mga kaninang inad natin na hindi natin nilagyan ng type, hindi sila pinakita dito. Okay? Gets? Sige. Tapos, what if gusto natin, sige, that's fine. So again, synonymous lang to. If we cut this out, tapos paste natin dito, lagay natin dito all series, that would still work. Save natin to. When we run this, that still works. Okay? Okay. May questions kayo? Tanong na. Tanong na. No. This connects. Diba? This connects to our database. To our local database. Yung ginawa natin. This is not a new database. This is connecting to the database that we already have. Gets? So kung ano yung data na nandun is accessible here. So kung mag-ano ako dito, so magdagdag ako ng something new dito na hindi na dun sa Mongo CLI na wala pa diyan. Find muna natin lahat para alam natin kung ano yung wala. Dalawin yung lahat na dream high kasi tayo nag-run. Okay. Oops. Saan ka nagko-connect? Wait lang. So, DBS. Pati, sige. Not sure kung ano yung pangalan ng DB mo eh. Pero yung gamit ko kasi test. So, you can like use local, use test. Sa akin naka-use test ako. Not sure kung ano yung gamit mo na DB. Tapos doon nagko-connect si ano. Doon nagko-connect si Mongoose dun sa test. So, if si local yung gamit ko, local, dapat palitan ko to ng local. Okay. Pero in this case, test yung gamit ko. So, use test. Also, dapat yung pangalan ng ano mo, ng collection mo is movies. Okay? Sige. So it's either your database, yun yung problem sa with connections sometimes. So ano yung database mo, ano yung collection name mo. So kung movies yung pangalan ng ano natin, movie, dapat yung collection natin is movies na maliit, movies. Tapos pero well, since nakakapag-access ka, meaning running si MongoDB server mo. So, walang problema sa connection siguro. So, problem siguro is with your database name or kung ano yung gamit mo ngayon, tapos yung collection. Ano yung pangalan ng collection mo? Tapos yung anong ginagawa mo dito. Okay, so questions. Gets naman to, no? So, this is just analogous to ano. This is just yung ginawa natin na tb.movies aray tb.movies oh yan, nag-autocomplete db.movies.find all series. Same lang yan. It's the same. Kung iraran natin to dun, say, kopyahin ko to Kopyahin ko to. Paste ko dito. Ayaw mo-paste. Ayaw mo-paste. Ito na lang. Const all series equals type series. Okay. Tapos kung i-run ko yung db.movies.find all series, yun. Ayun, nakuha niya. db.movies.find.all series. So basically same lang to. Ito tapos ito same lang. Okay, ito lang yung niraran natin sa CLI. Ito naman yung niraran natin sa dito sa application natin, sa server natin. Missing pa ba? Yeah, that's it. Gets ba? Class. Gets. Ano to? Gets na? Sige. Sure kayo Gets nyo na? In a way. Medyo name lang ng connection. It's a convention kasi. So, if, kasi, di ba, a collection, from the name itself, it is plural. Marami. So, when you create a collection, dapat plural siya. So, if your collection name is movies, dapat yung model mo is movie. This is parang convention siya, tapos yun yung fina-follow ni fina-follow ni MongoDB. So like, ano pa ba? Movies, dapat movie. Users, dapat user. Yun dapat yung ano mo. Ito dapat yung model mo. Okay? Gets ba? Convention lang yun. So, kung may ano tayo, for example, kung mag-query tayo kay db.users.find name ano, sino ba yung wala dito na pwede nating latin? Joke lang. Tandayo. db.users. So, yung equivalent dito is movie, user.find name Tandayo. Gets? Synonymous ang dalawa. Pero ito is in Mongo CLI using Mongoose. Gets? Aha. Medyo nabagalan. Okay. So, uh, there we go. So, ganito, synonymous lang to. Ito kung iraran natin sa ano, sa Mongo CLI, ito kung iraran natin dito sa application natin. Okay, user defined ba? Okay, gets ba? So, kung users yung ano natin, kung db.users yung collection natin, yung model natin would be user. Kung movies, movie. Okay? I'm not sure na sa mga weird English na stuff like candy, candies. Not sure if gagana yun. I'm assuming it will. Ay, may rule lang naman yun. If Y yung N, dapat IES yung plural. Anyway. So yun, so that works. Ito is yung sa Mongo CLI. Ito yung sa ano. Pero, yung convenient dito is, pwede natin gawin, tanggalin natin to. Move this. So, tanggalin natin to. Ito. Gagawin natin is, gawa tayong function. Find by title. Find by title. Tapos, title. Mm, sige, gawa tayong function na print, oops, print Mongo result. Async. May questions kayo, tanong na kayo ah. Oops. Result. Print, ay, mali. Console.log. Wow, so slow. Async. Wait. So, wait. No, no need. No need pala. So, gagawin natin dito, gagawa tayo ng title query. Title. So, yung magsa-search tayo ng title ng isang movie. Ay, hindi ko kailangan i-ano. Kung ganun, okay. No need pala to. Return. Sige. Movie dot find. Oops. Hindi na pala kailangan to. Kasi may title query na tayo. Gets. Tapos, i-return natin. Return movie. So, may ano na tayo. Print. Hindi. Castlevania equals find by title Castlevania. So, print na lang natin. Print Mongo result. Castlevania. So, let's run this. Should work. Yun, nahanap niya. Castlevania. So, we can add whatever in here. Like, palitan natin to ng Full Metal Alchemist. Nilagay na title ko dun. Yun, Full Metal Alchemist. So, meron na tayong convenience function na find by title. Ipapasa lang natin si title, tapos, yun na, hahanapin niya na. So, ano pa? Ano pa yung pwede natin isulat na functions? Find by genre. Title. Ay, sorry. Genre. Genre. Query. Genres. Genre. Tapos, const movie. False movie. That find genre query. Return movie. Oops. Okay pa. Tapos dito, mag-ano tayo? Fantasy. Find by genre. Find by genre. Fantasy. That should work. Tapos, print Mongo result. Fantasy. Yun. So, hinanap niya yung may mga fantasy na genre. Okay, so yung gagawin sa mga pag gumagawa ka ng applications, mas madali na gumawa kayo ng mga ganitong convenience function. So instead na directly calling movie.find, ayun, tatawagin nyo na lang si find by genre. So bibigyan na lang yung genre, then yun, may ano na kayo, may result na kayo. And clear. Tignan natin. Gets ba? Questions? Wala nang questions? Okay. Sige, subukan nyo tong gawin ngayon kung kaya. If hindi, okay lang. Sige. Await the result and print. Find movies by title. Find movies by genre. Find fantasy movies. Sige. Let's see. Ganun ko lang. Konti. Import Mongo. Sige. Wait lang. Sa Teams Wiki. Pwede bang mag-code snippets dito? Mongoose. Finding simple find. Ano bang ano dito? Hindi ko ma-paste. Yun. Pero, hindi ko siya ma... Kaya ang pangit ng ano eh. At may markdown to. Monospace na lang natin. Sure. Yun. There we go. Sige. So nilagay ko yung code sa ano, sa Teams sa wiki natin. Oops, wait lang. Op. Sure na, gets nyo na? Um, sorry, carry on. Itong cons na to, this is a function, exactly a function. Itong find by title and find by genre, functions to. Gets? JavaScript lang to. Mhm. So, this is a function, tapos sinisave natin sa find by title na variable, which in turn, since nakastore siya sa find by title na variable, edi function na din siya. So, function na to. Find by genre is a function, find by title is a function, which takes title and returns a movie with that title if meron. Find by genre accepts a genre, then creates a query sa genres na list ng movies natin, then returns a movie na may genre na yon, na ganun. Gets ba? So again, yung mga to, kung synonymous lang din to, kung tatanggalin natin tong title query, papalitan natin ng title, it will still work. Wala, variable lang yun eh. So, hindi siya, oops. Oh no, nakalimutan ko na hindi. Oh well, that's fine. That's it. Yun lang. That's it. It's simple-ish. So again, steps is step 1, import Mongo. Step 2, connect to Mongo. Step 3, create a model. Tapos, ito mga convenience functions lang to. Step 4, do what you want. Like, mag-query ka na, just run the query. So, ito mga convenience functions lang to. Wait lang. Sige. Wait. May nagtanong na kayo? There we go. Wait lang. Bagal pa ng net ko or pati computer. Nagawa naman po, pero ganito yung lumalabas. Let me see. Use unified topology is not defined. Use unified topology, true. Kasi, so, okay, abot. Tingnan mo. Ito yun, no? May true. Yun, sorry. Wait lang. Format, document. Hindi ako nag-configure. Prettier, syempre. Yun, sorry. Ayun. Is that better? Sa VS Code, pwede kayo mag-format document tapos i-format niya automatically yung ano. So, ayun. Mas maganda siya ngayon. Um, Command Shift P tapos format document. Sorry, Control Shift P sa mga Windows users. Control Shift P tapos format document. Kung naka-Mac kayo, Command Shift P. Tapos format document, maging ganito siya. Depende actually sa formatter nyo. Nag-install kasi ako ng Prettier. Kung nagja-JavaScript kayo or web, maganda mag-install ng Prettier. Nandito lang yung sa extensions. Prettier. Itong kay SBen. Prettier code formatter. Then, pag mag-ano kayo, pag mag-format document kayo, tatanungin ko yung kung ano yung gusto nyong formatter. Piliin nyo Prettier. And then, ito yung magiging ano, fix siya ng ganito. Para mas maganda. Prettier nga. Ayun. So, what else? Ayun. Kaya sinasabi kanina na use unified topology is not defined kasi ganito yon. Okay, short JavaScript lesson in case din nyo pa alam. Pag sinabi kong, diba, meron, okay, dito na lang, gamitin na natin yung example na to. Di ba sinabi ko dito, title equals title, ay title is title, which refers to this. Once tinanggal ko to, this still works. Tingnan nyo ano ko to. Once, Castlevania. Find by title, Castlevania. Tapos, print Mongo result, Castlevania. Run this. Yun, nahanap niya. So, kung titingnan nyo, yung syntax na to, this works. Okay? Yung syntax na yan. Kasi, pag sinabi kong title, this is just equivalent to oops, title. Gets ba? Tatlong equal sign. Depende sa language. Pero actually, ano pa ba yung may language na PHP? Sa JavaScript, this is an exact, sige, ano ba yung magandang example nito? Sige, tingnan natin. Basta triple equals, that is an exact JavaScript to is hindi talaga super exact. Pero parang strict na equality. Kasi may mga weird stuff kasi kay JavaScript eh. So, subukan natin. A equals true. False, hindi. Dito. Ano ba yung mga ano ba yung mga example nito? Tama ba? hindi undefined yun. Hinahanap ko yung mga cases. Kasi pag it's safe, usually kasi it's safe to use triple equals most of the time kasi may weird stuff na nangyayari kay JS na sometimes hindi sila equal pero nag-equal sila. Kasi yung type nila, hindi ako makapaghanap ng example. False. False. False din. Ano ba yung example nun? Hindi ko ba ilala. Anyway, di ko maalala yung example eh. Pero may mga weird stuff kasi kay JS na nag-equal sila kahit na hindi dapat equals. So, ginagamit na lang is mostly yung triple equals. Sabi dito. Anyway. Ano ba? Papaisip ako doon ah. Kasi hindi na ako gumagamit ng double equals lang. Hindi pwede sa string. Hindi gagana yun sa string. I think sa mga object, doon siya nangyayari. Referential ba? Wag na, never mind. Pero to be safe, gamit ka lang ng triple equals. Isip ko doon ah. Equals in JS. Kalimutan ko na. Of the same type and contain the same value. If comparing different types for equality, the result is false. Okay. Pag pag same type and same value, mag-aano sila, mag-true. Pero pag different type tapos same value, yun yung alam ko na, feel ko lang ko na yung example. Yun. Ito yung example. Pag double equals, 1 na string, tapos 1 na number is true. Which is weird. So, dapat, pag triple equals, hindi na sila true. So, weird, mag-introduce to ng weird bugs kasi yung string mo, equal siya sa number mo, which is hindi naman talaga, kahit na yung ASCII representation ng 1 na number is not 1. Tapos nag-equal sila dito kasi may tinatawag na coercion sa JavaScript. Yung mga stuff like, pag magpasa ako ng ano ba? Test. Console.log true. Hindi. Sa JavaScript programming per se. Kasi, well, to some extent, maybe. Kasi like, for example, okay, ganito. Pag, for example, age, right? May age ka. Age equals 20. Sabihin natin. Tapos, yung madagdag mo sa kanya is string, magiging 201. Gets? Instead na pag mag-add ka ng 1 na magiging 21. So, yung mga ganong bugs. So, instead na rekta ka mag-add, check mo muna kung kung 1 nga talaga siya or kung int nga talaga siya or ano. Yun yung problem to some extent kay JavaScript. Wala siyang type. Wala siyang strict types. So, next level dun is gumamit ka ng Flow or TypeScript. Pero, yung the best talaga yung mga languages like Reason ML or Haskell na maganda, or F Sharp na maganda talaga yung type system. So hindi talaga 'to mangyayaring na mga problems na 'to. So JavaScript masyadong maraming freedom na binibigay. So nagkakabag ka tuloy pag hindi ka maingat. Anyway, may tanong pa. Ala, sir, di lumalabas. Di lumalabas. Node dot. Hindi, yan na yung result. Patingin nga ng code mo, pababa. It gave an empty array, right? Patingin ng code mo sa baba, yung whole, kung saan ka nag-run. This either means walang result or mali yung print mo. It's an empty array. So meaning wala kang result na nahanap. So either yung sinesearch mo is wala dun sa collection or mali yung collection name mo. Patingin nga. Pati sa'yo hanggang ngayon, Tomas. Empty array, hindi sila nagdi-display. It's either mali yung mali yung DB na ginamit mo or mali yung collection name. Nasa test ka ba na Nasa test na DB ka? Nag-use test ka ba? Pero by default sa akin test eh, so I don't know. Find genre query drama. That should work. Patingin, wait, pinakita mo na pala sa taas. So, let me see. Mongoose. Ano yung ginawa mo? Aha, okay. Sige, baka wala nga yung genre na drama. Sige nga, try mo. Kasi it's either mali yung query mo or hindi siya makapag-connect sa. Pero inisip ko kasi kung mali yung DB mo, mag-error dapat siya eh. Or unless silent yung error niya. No, the test DB exists. Yung linagay mo siguro na DB nag-exist siya. Pero hindi yun yung ini-expect mo na DB. Yes, the data exists somewhere else, pero mali yung the DB you're connecting to exists, pero hindi yun yung DB na may data ka. Parang ganun. Tap. Okay na. Gumana na. Nice. Okay. Napapakita na pala. Nice. Okay. Gumana na ba yung prettier sa'yo? Yun na yun. Okay. Sci-fi. Sure ka na ito yung exact na ito yung exact na genre ha? Baka kailangan mo yung check mo muna sa test na DB. Punta ka sa Mongo CLI mo. Mag-use test ka, tapos mag db.movies.find ka. check mo kung nandun talaga yung ano, yung mga hinahanap mo. Oops. So questions. Ano to? May questions pa? May find by genre naman dyan, di ba? So, ito na yun. Oops, dapat naka-comment to. Right. Okay. Right. Okay na. May questions pa? Sorry, ano ulit? Ah, yes, yes, exactly. Pampadali ng buhay. So, actually you can connect to the MongoDB without Mongoose pero mahirap. So, pinapadali ng Mongoose yung buhay natin para ano na lang tayo. Gawa ng model.find, a movie.find for example, tapos movie.save. So, gano'n na lang siya na nag-implement ng ganun. So, instead na tayo mismo yung magsisend ng query na na save, mas madali na. Rekta save na lang or find, wala nang problema. Okay. Gets na. Okay. So, movie. So, ano naman, like, kung gusto natin mag-update, same process lang din. So, hahanapin natin yung ano, yung kung ano yung hinahanap natin na document, for example. Pero since nakapag-find na tayo, for example, nakapag-find na tayo, edi pwede na tayong direkta mag-update. So, i-filter lang natin dito or rekta na natin i-specify dito kung ano yung i-update natin. Specify na natin dyan kung ano yung magiging title. Or like, gawa tayo ng change title. Sige, subukan natin. Sige. Ano natin to. Const change title old title new title tapos yung gagawin is ano ba old title new title yes movie find by title old title so hanapin natin yung movie na meron yung old title na gusto natin tapos papalitan natin yung ano sige gawin natin title update sige title new title sabihin natin dito set title update tapos return na natin ito yung i-return natin asik to wait wait so set title update change title so try natin na i-change yung title ni ano change Castlevania palitan natin sige change title Castlevania to Castlevania whatever tapos print Mongo result change Castlevania so run natin to movie.update is not a function bakit inano ko ba wait async na to eh hindi siya async okay wait sorry pero hindi eh ano da promise siya eh so wait lang ayan okay so in-update na natin yung ano Castlevania so kung titingnan natin dito sa ano natin wait may questions kayo okay sige tb.movies dot find title trinay nyo yun so instead na Castlevania naging Castlevanium na siya so palitan ulit natin change title from Castlevanium to Castlevania run this again boom okay yun so ganun lang update Gets. Gets. Deprecated na pala to. So, gawin natin update 1 to. Update 1. Dapat update 1 pala to. Well, gumagana rin yung update. Pero sabi nila, update is deprecated. So, it's either update 1, update many, or bulk write. Ayun. Gets. O they mean? Oo. I siguro, I'm not sure. Siguro, that's what I'm thinking. I'm guessing yun yung mangyayari. Hindi. Oh. Talaga. Okay. That's weird. Okay. So, kaya siguro nila ginawa ng update 1, update mini kasi ambiguous yung yung update lang. Okay. Alright. May questions pa? So, yung delete, same lang din. Pero wala nang argument. Wala ba yung dito yung delete? Wala sa mismo? So, nasa movie. Nasa movie nga. So, specify mo yung kung ano yung i-delete mo. Kung mag-delete. Hindi, example lang yun. Hindi ko siya doon ilalagay. Hindi. Date 1. So, yun. So, movie that delete 1. Tapos ilalagay mo lang kung ano yung i-delete mo. Title. Castlevania. Pero ayoko. Let's not delete that. Maghanap tayo ng i-delete. The King siguro. Delete natin. So, tanggalin ko to. Movie that delete 1. Oops. The King. Kung iraran ko to, wala lang siyang result. Kasi hindi ko print. Pero kung titingnan natin dito, ay, ano yun? Saan ba to? Nandito pa rin yung docking. Wait. Para sigurado. Tingnan natin. Baka nag-error. Data. Console.log. Wait lang. Console.log. Data. Deleted count. Nagkaroon naman siya. Yun, wala na yung docking. Yun. So, ganun lang din yung delete. Movie.delete 1. Yep. So, na-cover na natin yung find, insert, tapos, so, yung insert natin is save. Yung find natin is, well, find. Tapos, update. Tapos, delete. So, na-cover natin yung mga CRUD operations dito sa dito sa Mongoose. Okay. Questions pa? Copy ko na to dun. Sige, gawa muna ako ng function na const delete by title. Uh, title movie dot delete one const title query uh, title king title query. Mm, oops. Ano yun? Oh my god, wait lang. Nakakapastock pala. Delete by title. So, magreklamo na to. Const... Sige, wag na. Gagano naman yan. So, copy natin to. Paste natin dun sa team sa wiki. Ayun, created. Nandun na sa ano, sa wiki natin. Balik tayo sa posts. Join. Questions? Sige, okay na. Okay na kayo. Ganun lang. Again, pag may ano, pag yung pag find ng movie is pag okay, movie dot find. Then ito yung pag pag get, pag find, pag filter. Tapos to add a movie na na-create, for example, sige, create muna ng movie. Another movie is equal to new movie, gagawa ka ng new movie. Then title, for example. Another. Tapos another movie that save. So that's how you save. How you create, how you insert. Okay. Tapos next is, pag mag-update ka, movie that update. Tapos same set title. I-update all pala. I-update many. Movies. Ganito mag-update. And then pag mag-delete, movie dot delete one or delete many. Tapos kung ano yung title na hinahanap mo. Ganun. So ito, find So, to create, read, update, tapos delete. Gets. Okay lang siguro. Oo, siguro. Mababagal kasi yung net ko eh. Tapos tina-transmit yung ano. Kaya mabagal. Kaya lagi. Tapos mabagal na din yung computer ko. Marami ng laman. Okay. That's it, I guess. May questions pa? Oo. Sige, sige. Ano? Sorry. Sige. May pasok pa kayo? After nito? Sige, sige, sige. So, dismiss na lang tayo. Okay na? Okay na kayo? Wala na kayong questions? May questions kayo sa Teams na lang. Okay, sige. Bye-bye.